I want to talk about this Garisar extra virgin olive oil. I use olive oil a ton. I use it in just about everything. Definitely moved away from seed oils over the past couple years, and olive oil is one of my go-tos for cooking, even baking, you name it, I use it. Taking a look at this stuff right here initially, you can see right here, the taste is amazing, a little bit of spice to it, which I like, but not too much. You can see right there, great viscosity. One of the ways I like to use it is I season my steak. What I'll do is I'll put on a little bit of olive oil, kind of use it as a binder for the seasoning. What I usually do is I use a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of kosher sea salt. I like the kosher. It's not quite as salty as a regular table salt. So if you're looking for something like that, it's worth a shot. And some fresh ground black pepper. Absolutely delicious. Also use it. I like to keep my salads pretty simple. Usually what I'll use is simply some olive oil. Right there, you can see me trying it. And with a little bit of balsamic. Absolutely delicious. And taking a look at my dinner, my ribeye came out absolutely perfect. The flavor is exceptional. I'm really excited to have the salad to go with it. I'm going to get a ton of use out of this. If you're looking for a premium olive oil, click on the link in the description below.